Now, from time to time, people ask about the diagnostic output on my auxiliary computer control, also known as my desk control center. So we're going to have a quick little demo about what I'm going to do with this now. Aside from rickrolling everybody, I'm going to be adding in channel member names in here, and people that have been valuable to the channel in one way or another. So we're starting off with Tinkerman Mick is going to be the first one. He's been right from the start, founding member of this whole idea. Top bloke. Next one, we're going to have a look at Fat Ninja Alan. He's donated heaps of stuff to the channel, been a member for a very long time. Top bloke. But Tom George, he's a top commenter. He's always been supportive, been with us right from the start. Lucky Diamond, channel member, top bloke, always good in the comments, always good to talk to. Daniel Diamond Hunter, he's been a channel member, and he's a good mate of mine, has been for the last 20 years. And we've got Peter Middo, always coming down to chase up the Land Rovers. So yeah, you guys are going to be in the background of things. If you want to get in on this, $1.49 a month Australian, it's about 99 cents US. You can support the channel, and I'll stick your name in this little thing. You can be in the back of my desk jobs. I'll be doing more things like this in the future, but yeah, thought you might like to know about this.